XIAOMI Mi 8 and let me show you how to enter the test mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to find and select the phone's dialer, and let's start with the following secret code. Let's input the *pound 64663 ###. As you can see, the CIT mode pops up. This is the hardware test mode. Here you can test, for example, the version info. If everything is correct, let's tap pass. You can see the SIM card info. Also tap pass if everything is correct. You can, for example, use the keyboard test, or for example, you can go back and choose the vibrator test, display, receiver. Let me tap display, so you can test all colors of the screen right here. The blue. And if everything is correct, let's tap pass. Alright. You can also test here speaker, headset, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, sensors, the camera, NFC, GPS, battery. You can also here use more key to see additional tools, and here, for example, you can calibrate your speaker or use Bluetooth test tool. That's it, everything went well. You can go back. If you would like to go back, let's tap OK, and of course all related text data will be erased. Tap OK. So now you can start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.